right now it's time to have fun, like I promised. And I keep promising because it's going to be so much fun.
Get away. Come on. Come on. Here we go, y'all.
Napansin ko, hindi ko alam kung mahiyain ka
I am mahiyain. I don't know why I'm
suplado
just
ka, or...
I'm not really quiet. I'm just siguro madaldal to the people I'm close to.
What do you enjoy doing when you're alone?
If I have free time, I spend time in the garden, you know. It's like for me, it's a paradise. I mean, you're spending time, fresh air and everything. So if I have time, I'll just be planting, just me in the garden. Before when I was in the States, siguro, most of the time I would spend time by myself, going to a cafe, write poems, you know, read books or do a story. Nowadays sa Manila, it's malabo, mahirap. So whenever I have free time, I just sleep. I spend it in my room alone. Yun lang.
So you write poems?
I used to.
About?
Life.
Really?
Everything.
So you're a very deep person?
I don't know.
No, I mean, do you like, what I usually do is I keep a notebook and I usually write...
I have a journal. I've been keeping a journal since I was siguro 13 or 14. I have a diary.
What do you fear the most?
My fear is to sleep alone. Sanay ako may katabi. Sanay ako, if not with my mom, with my sister, or not with my maid because my sisters are not there anymore. So, I don't know, because I haven't overcome it. I tried to overcome it first. I had a nightmare.
I won't tell you what mine is, though.
Oh, what's yours? Come on, tell me now, please.
I won't share it
What
with
do you fear the most?
Actually leaving this life and not doing anything that people will remember me by. That's why I work so hard. With all of these things happening, I'm sure this is your dream, no? To be where you are right now.
No, not really.
Oh, what's your dream?
You're not gonna make me cry, but I'm gonna tell you about this. Because you know what I miss the most is my family being together and everything. Because half of my family is in the States, half is in Manila, and you know what I wish the most is, you know, for my family to be together. Just one dinner. I just want to live a simple life. I just want to be the man of the house, and I have my own business. You know the ideal things. Life is a continuing experience. Life is a learning process.
You know that song, Panaginip?
Gising pa, naghihintay sa panaginip.
Hindi ako makapaniwala. Ikaw ay nasaan?
karamihan dito, ika'y natatangi. Sa lahat ng tanawin, mukha mong nasa sa isip.
Ewan ko ba bakit ka napakita pa sa panaginip. Sana'y mamasdan ka sa tuwing na
Kahit na di na gumising pa, huwag lang malayo sa piling mo. Inibig kahit ika'y panaginip lang.
Hindi ako makapaniwala.
Ewan ko ba
Pag-ibig
bakit ka nagpakita pa?
hindi ako makapaniwala. Ako ang iyong
Sa panaginip, sana'y mamasdan ka sa tuwing na kung ikaw ay isang panaginip,
ayoko na magising.
kung ikaw ay isang panaginip, ayoko na Kung ikaw ay isang panaginip, ayoko nang magising. Kung ikaw ay isang panaginip, ayoko nang magising.
Hahanapin kita palagi dito sa aking buhay, pagkat di